Good afternoon. Oh my god, it's been a long time since I've been opening my camera and it feels so weird. But anyways, hey y'all, it's Manu. Welcome back to another YouTube video. By the title and the thumbnail, you guys already seen what today's video is going to be. I will be spending my afternoon with you guys. My morning was kind of realistic and unmotivated, but you know, with discipline we still have to get things done. So that's better, because I don't know why it was like kind of. But this morning I got up. I made like a little short video on TikTok, but I did not go for YouTube because I know that I was going to record my afternoon with you guys. So I went to the gym this morning per usual, came back home, got ready, and then now I'm on my way to this garden thing that that's going on in Miami. So on my way over there, I made myself a matcha because I love matcha, y'all. Like, I'm a matcha girly. Like, that's the only thing that went viral on TikTok, like I would say influence, that I actually take from TikTok, and it's really good. If you haven't tried matcha, don't say it's not good. And if you tried it and you don't like it, you know, everybody got different tastes, so that's your taste. So yeah, I got my matcha, and I also have my, how do you say that, oikos, whatever. I also have my Greek yogurt for the protein. You know, have to get my protein take. Okay, so I'm on my way now. I'm about to eat. Oh my god, I don't want my things. So I'm on my way now. I'm about to eat, drink, and I'm gonna see you guys actually when we got to the place. Okay, I'm gonna also give you guys a little outfit check. See you guys when we get there. Bye. Outfit check. I got my shoes from Guess, pants from Ross, my shirt is from Ross, my bag is from TJ Maxx.
What about the belt?
My belt is from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, I don't remember. And I have Davis, German, Pandora. My chain, this is from TJ Maxx, and this is from Tory Burch. And my hair, I did my hair and this and makeup by me. So yeah, that's my OOTD. That is so cute. Okay, so I hope that you guys can hear me well, because there's a lot of noise going on. I don't know where we're going now, but we're currently, what's his name? Vizcaya? Okay, so we are in Vizcaya's house, and we just walking around, but we don't know. This is mainly to show you his house. We're going up the stairs so we can, you know, kind of see his house. That is so pretty. That's beautiful. Oh my god. That is so freaking pretty.
I mean, that's the garden.
I wanted to give you guys. Oh, that's a garden. I want a garden.
Yeah, that's a garden.
That is so good. Okay, so I don't really know the person house that I'm in. I know Vizcaya, but I don't really know nothing much about Vizcaya, and I'm in Vizcaya house. Let's hope that Vizcaya don't hurt me tonight, because I'm in his house. But you know, so I don't know I don't know how to give you guys a full house tour, but for what I've been knowing, so that's his garden, a garden. So that's so beautiful. That's a fountain, but they don't take care of it, so that's why it's green. Guys, they have this in my future house. I want to add this to it. Those are stairs. That's how it look like. And I'm not sure who that is, but yeah. face in this video, so do this for at your house? Like, can you go and visit like this? We are about to eat now. We just find a parking out to eat because I know I love food. I hope that you guys can hear me well because I keep putting my hair on the mic. I'm taking this hair out today, by the way, to install another one because I cannot go on stage like this because they don't allow color hair. Even though it's cute or whatever, but I'm always on another one. I'm cute in every like color hair and every hairstyle that I be doing. So oh, I look super strong and cute and pretty and classic. But my pants are dirty. Sit like, that was so gentleman of you. Okay, hey y'all, so we just left the restaurant. The food was good, but only thing is, like, you guys don't have sides. Like, that was kind of unfortunate. Now I'm going home. As soon as I get home, I have to wash my wig and reinstall it. So I think I'm gonna take you guys after I'm done with install my lace, and then I'm gonna do my networking with you guys so I can close off this vlog, because you know we always have to close the vlog off after, while we're unwinding. So I did my makeup super good. I don't want to take it off, like, come on now, you know. See, but I have to take it off, and I have to take my wig off. Like, my wig is literally lifting, like, but it still look good because it's a color wig. If it was a black wig, it was gonna look messier, but since it's a color wig, it don't really look as bad. So I'm gonna tell you guys, it's currently 7:24 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna get you guys back when I'm at the house. Okay, so bye, y'all.
Y'all seen the Chrissy situation, right? I'm not even talking about their divorce. Girl, fuck him. I'm talking about the holes in the comments. Personality was too much. Don't fucking cheat. Like, don't fucking cheat. Oh, I don't blame him, bitch.